Hi there everyone, it's John from Jim's Jumping Castles and Party Hire. Today we're going to show you how to make fairy floss the professional way. It's fun, it's easy, and you're gonna love it. Okay, well let's jump straight into it. So the first thing we need is obviously our fairy floss machine, and we need to start it to get it nice and warm. Oh, whoops, the first thing we need to do is plug it in. Okay, now let's start it. Ah, that's better. So we have some action. Okay, the next thing we need is our fairy floss stick, and we then also need some fairy floss product as well. Uh-oh, hang on. We need to make sure that we have our gloves on first. It is a food product, and we need to make sure that we are using our food safe handling techniques. So now that we've got our gloves on, the next step is to get our scoop and to get our sugar and start making some fairy floss. So here's our scoop, and today we are going to make everyone's favourite, some pink fairy floss. So we have our sugar and we have our stick and we're ready to go. So what we do is we put our fairy floss into the machine, and then it starts to make, and then we're going in an anti-clockwise direction to start with, and then we are just making a wonderful, wonderful piece of fairy floss that everyone of all the ages is going to love. Wow, have a look at that. Don't you just want to eat some? Okay, wasn't that fun? And the fairy floss is all gone. So what we're going to do, let's make a two-colour fairy floss now. So what we'll do is we'll get our scoop and we'll get our stick, and let's start with some blue sugar this time. So we get a scoop of blue sugar, and then let's start making some fairy floss. So we're going in an anti-clockwise direction again, and then we're making our nice little fairy floss ball. There we go, there's a nice blue one, but we haven't finished yet, so let's get some pink again. So we're getting our pink sugar, and let's see how we go. Okie dokie. So we're doing our fairy floss again. We're making it nice and big, multicoloured, and this is going to be really good. Wow, have a look at that. Two-colour fairy floss. Doesn't that look like you want some? Wow, wasn't that fun making fairy floss? And the taste was so yummy. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.